struggling to heal together? Couples facing addiction often battle not only substance abuse, but fractured communication and mutual enabling. At Asana Recovery, specialized couples rehab integrates individual therapy, couples counseling, and group support into one balanced recovery plan. Research shows couples in joint treatment experience greater reductions in substance use and rebuild trust along the way. Our programs, including residential, outpatient, and partial hospitalization options, are designed to address co-occurring addiction and mend relationship dynamics. Embrace shared accountability, transform challenges into connection, and rediscover hope. You deserve a healthier, sober future. Contact Asana Recovery today to begin your journey towards healing as a team and turning struggle into strength. Your shared journey is a testament to resilience and love. Let each step bring you closer to enduring recovery and renewed connection.